Hi everyone, this is Manvi this side, and some of you may be knowing me from the videos at EcoNiti's platform on YouTube and website. But don't worry, this video is not another lesson, but it's just about sharing a personal experience. Exactly 6 months ago, I was struggling with the preparation of UGC NET Economics. It was my second attempt, and I was not scoring in the mocks that well, the way I expected. जो मैं चाह रही थी वो नहीं हो रहा था. So in those moments, I made a list of क्या रिसोर्सेज मेरे पास होते तो मेरी ये जर्नी इजी हो जाती. वो सोर्सेज थे कि सबसे पहले आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? पहले तो ये होता है. टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कॉन्सेप्ट आई नीडेड क्वेश्चंस सेग्रीगेटेड सब्जेक्ट वाइज. After doing that, I wanted to test myself on the subject by taking that subject ka mock. And then after doing this for all the subjects, I wanted to take a full size mock. But nowhere I could find this structure. So when I met Komal, I told her about my struggle. And that moment, me, Komal, Nancy, and Siddharth sir decided that we are going to create what I wanted. So we have all past years of all subjects explained on YouTube. We have not just explained you the question का answer, but also the thinking process of elimination. हमने ये भी किया है कि अगर कोई क्वेश्चन ना आता हो तो कॉमन सेंस से कैसे सोच सकते हैं उस मोमेंट में. एंड उसके साथ साथ थोड़े से मॉक्स आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो आई होप द मॉक सीरीज हेल्प्स यू and the YouTube sessions are helpful. And in one brownie point, if you take this mock series, you also get 3 doubt sessions with free with me and Nancy Ma'am. And I will be more than happy to share my experience and help you. And for context, I cleared my net with 99.63 percentile. So I will be more than happy to share my experience, my takeaways, my mistakes, and I hope I see you there.